Hello, welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I am scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder and CEO of Pabnasoft. I will discuss today about pharmacy management system, how to make pharmacy management system with Python. For a ticketer, ticketer is a package that we can use for any types of software management system. Here definition, here many definition: import ticketer.message box for message from ticketer, import ttk, import random, import time, import date time. Main function definition, function keyword def, root equal to tk, function app equal to window 1 root, the app name window 1, class window 1, and function def initial function self master argument self parameter master parameter self dot master master variable master self dot master equal to master self dot master dot title the title pharmacy management system self dot master geometry self dot frame self dot master frame self dot frame dot prac self dot username equal to string var and self dot password string var label title frame self dot frame label title label login frame 1 login frame 2 login frame 3 username label username label user text password and button login button reset button exist button. Here a registration form self dot login frame 3 patient registration form and hospital management system we have two form, one registration form and one hospital management system, login system, reset system, exist function, registration window, hospital window, self dot new window, top label, self dot master, and window 3, date of order dot set time dot string title and class window 3 master hospital management system, and the function initial function if underscore name underscore equal to single quotation underscore main underscore and main. So we can run the project, run module. This project is open. Now I will give input username 1 2 3 4 and password 2 3 4 5. This is the login username and password. And reset we can reset, exist we can exist the login form. Now we can username 1 2 3 4 and password 2 3 4 5 login. Now this two form is active. Patient when we will give username and password, the registration form will active and hospital management system will active. Otherwise is disabled. If we will not give username and password, the patient registration system and hospital management system will remain disabled. If we will give username and password, then the patient registration system is active and will active hospital management system. And now we will click login. So active two system, patient registration system and hospital management system. Patient registration page will open. Click hospital management system page open. So we have to login system, username, password and exist. If I want to exist, so I have to click yes, or if no, click no, yes or no. And reset button click, the username password is blank. Then I will give username and password, username 1 2 3 4 and password 2 3 4 5, and click login for active patient registration system and hospital management system. This software is very easy for pharmacy management system, for patient registration system and hospital management system. Okay, and we can exist the software. We can sense the background color. How we can sense background color? Here title, label title, is, and here frame, login frame 1, login frame 1, login frame 2 and login frame 3. If we want to sense the background color, so we have to sense the background color name. Here the background color board, we cannot use any background color this software, so default color is coming. If we use background color, so we will see the background color on our page. Pharmacy management system, BG, we can use BG color, BG equal to background color green, then green. Okay, ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড কালারটা আমাদের লেবেল টাইটেল সেটা আমরা দেখতে পারি এখন কী অবস্থা। এখানে রান করি আমরা, রান মডুল so okay, run module. Okay, background color is sense. Okay, green, and this background color green. Pharmacy management system. If we want to the username password frame background color, so we have to give the code. We have to sense the code. Title, here background color green, here username and password. Password login for login system button. Here we can give color, so cell.login print. Here we can give password bg color, bg equal to red, red color red. So we can see the change of background color. So run module, click, and then we have red color, the red color. And hospital management system button, we can sense red, and is red color, red. Okay, this is the hospital management system, and this color is not very good, so we can sense the green color. We can give green yellow color. Yellow is the best for color, so we can run the yellow color of the project. Okay, pharmacy management system, and the font is not very good. You can sense the font. Here font is Arial. You can use Arial. Here font name sans serif font, then run sans serif font. Okay, and username password is from login from is. You can now use username, and we can use password 2 3 4 5 and active mode, patient registration system, hospital management system. You can reset, you can next login. You have entered and invalid details. When you give wrong information, 1 2 3 4, and password is 1 2 3 4, the wrong information, you have entered and invalid details. When you will give the correct information 1 2 3 4 and password 2 3 4 5, then login will active, patient registration system active, hospital management system. Yes, okay. Now we can click the patient registration system and hospital management system for information. This is the patient registration page. Okay, and this is the hospital management system page. In this way we can create patient registration system, hospital management system, and we reset any username and password anytime for giving a new username and password. Reset, this is reset working, and we can we can go outside of the program. We can click exist button. When I will click exist button, we exist the program software. So click exist. If you confirm, if you want to yes, if you want to click exist, so the program is closed, the software is closed. If click no, the program will not close, our software is not closed. You have to click exist for closing the software. So I will click now exist. If I confirm, so I have to click exist button for going out of the software or program. Click yes, the program exists. Okay. In this way, we can create a pharmacy management system software and login system, login portal, and here function will from many from we can use the from. Here we can give background color, title frame, background color. We can use blue color. Blue color. Okay, blue. This is the blue color used for title frame, and the blue color here, the title level here, member details, yes, and the frame details. We can use background color. Here we can use background color. Okay. Now we can click save and run the run module. The program will run. Okay. Exist username, you have entered and invalid details. So 1 2 3 4 2 0 4. Now active patient registration system and hospital management system. Okay, now you can exist the software. Thank you everybody. If you good the software with you, please give like and subscribe me for getting new video for progressing your performance, for progressing your learnings, for progressing your skill. And if you need any consultant, please call me, please like me, please comments me and subscribe me for any information. You can call me anytime, anywhere for any information. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center.